Hello everyone, so now I'm going to discuss question number 10. Express 6 plus I multiplied with 2 minus I over 4 plus 3I multiplied with 1 minus 2I equals to A plus BI. My suggestion would be expand the left hand side of the expression and we will have 12 minus 6I plus 2I minus I squared over 4 minus 8I plus 3I minus 6I squared equals to A plus BI. Just a reminder, I squared actually equals to negative 1. So now I'm going to substitute the value into the equation and we will have 12. After we substitute, we will have plus 1 minus 4I over 4. After we substitute, we have a positive 6 minus 5I equals to A plus BI. So we can still simplify the left hand side and we will have 13 minus 4I over 10 minus 5I equals to A plus BI. So now we move on to the second part. Basically, you have to observe the left hand side of the equation and the right hand side. Let's focus on the left hand side. We have a complex number in the denominator. For the right hand side, we have a real number for the denominator. So now what we have to do is to multiply the denominator for the left hand side with the conjugate so that it becomes a real number. Then only we can compare for both sides. So 13 minus 4I over 10 minus 5I. The conjugate would be 10 plus 5I. Next, what we have to do is to expand for the left hand side. So we will have 130 plus 65I minus 40I minus 20I squared over. For this case, we can apply the formula. Okay, so based on the situation, actually we have A minus BI multiplied with A plus BI. So after we expand, actually we can see A squared plus B squared would be the product, which is a real number because we multiply conjugate to each other and we will have A squared plus B squared as a product. So for this case, A would be 10 squared plus 5 squared equals to A plus BI. So my advice to you, do observe and try to find out the situation and then you can apply the formula. Do remember, I squared actually is equals to negative 1. So now I'm going to substitute the value and simplify the situation. So we have 130. After we substitute the value negative 1 and we will have plus 20 plus 25I over 100 plus 25, which is equals to A plus BI. We can simplify the situation and we will have 150 plus 25I over 125 equals to A plus BI. So finally, we will have 150 over 125, which is equals to A, plus 2I over 125, which is equals to BI. So finally, A plus BI will be equals to 150 over 125, we will have 6 over 5, plus 2I over 125, we will have I over 5. So here we are, and thanks for watching.